Ritual to attract money. Place this in a bottle and observe how it changes your life. Do not know how to get money? Despite trying many times, you always get the same results? In this video, the solution to your financial problems are over. Do not lose detail of what we are going to share. Many people do not believe in rituals, but you know what? If you have faith in what you do, you will have the results you are looking for. If you are a bitter and a pessimist, this video is not for you. The truth is that the rituals help our daily stress and tiredness do not affect our problems of the pocket, since these are in charge to bring what they call the good vibes to your life. So stop skepticism right now, and give it a try. Nothing to lose. In addition, we will need goodwill and positive mind about this. Ingredients: 1. 6 grains of rice. 2. Lentils. 3. 2 red candles. 4. 2 airtight glass jars. Preparation of the ritual. 1. In a pot you must put water to boil to sterilize the jars that we mentioned before. Also, the lids of the vials should be sterilized. 2. When the glasses have dried perfectly for a while, you should add a handful of previously selected lentils and then 6 grains of rice. Proceed to cover them. This in each glass. 3. You should put a jar in the kitchen of your house and another in the dining room, in a clear place and in sight. 4. Once placed, put a red candle in front of them and turn it on for a few hours so that it consumes a lot of time. 5. It is very important that you do not blow out the candle by blowing it, but simply with your hands the blowing. 6. Discard the candles but keep the jars. This ritual technique is important because we are doing direct communication with something sacred. If you are a believer, we recommend that you recess your favorite archangel and avoid receiving visitors during this process.